final session focuses on exploring class progress and student portfolio section of the Toddle platform. Toddle is an important tool that will keep track of your evidence of learning in one location and link it to the reporting process so that student progress can be shared in a timely manner. Assessment and evaluation are the pieces that are reported to the students, families, and administration throughout the year. The formative and summative evaluations have been uploaded into Toddle throughout the term, and therefore the creation of the student progress report is easily compiled. Now the student-led conference is organized and ready to be conducted, using the student's journal, portfolio as the focal point. As educators, we know that communication between school and home is hugely important to a child's success in school. Parents are more likely to trust and work with the school to support their child's learning if they are kept informed. Toddle will help you share information with them openly and frequently through their progress report and reporting tools. Toddle empowers teaching teams to work collaboratively and more efficiently by helping them prepare student portfolios, collect data of student learning through various assessment strategies, prepare reports, and communicate with families with an easy-to-use platform. Go to the home page, select Year 6 or Year 10, click on the Progress Report and Portfolio. Select the Middle Years Report and then select a student. Using the left-hand menu, click your way through to have a look at the complete document. Click on the Academic Performance Grading Scale and select a rating. Explore the 8 icons under the place where you would type the comment. Write a comment and save it for future use. Now select a second student and input the saved comment.